we have the Cricut Maker Lilac bundle from Joann's, and I'm gonna have you guys unbox it with me. I'm excited.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Smell.
Ooh. Oh, are you feeling my coffee? Sorry, my husband's in the coffee. Look.
Oh, it's crowns. I thought it was, I don't know why I didn't feel that it was the beans.
Ooh, this has the paperwork. Oh, there's the machine. I'm excited. So let's start here. This little box. So this one comes with extra stuff. So this has this also has the quick swap housing. And it comes with the scoring wheel for your quick swap housing. So one big difference I'm noticing with the Maker is that everything is black and silver. So this is the materials for my first project. So it's got some beautiful cardstock in it. Okay, what else? Ooh. When you register your machine, you get free 60 days with Creative Bug.
Hey Juliet, I'm sorry.
My husband's making coffee. Open me first. These are just, unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Get connected. Just go to Cricut.com, set up, and we'll walk you through every step. Make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with the materials in the box. Bookmark this page, and it tells you what page to bookmark. Cricut Create. All right, let's see what else. Welcome. Tells you a whole bunch of other different information. Because see, my other Cricut, so I have the Cricut Air. Cricut Air Explorer 2. Everything was white. All this stuff is black. It's got all the information in it about the fine point blades, the styluses, tools, materials, projects, your design space, how to make things, what's included in the box. Comes with your blade. So what is different between the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Explorer or the Cricut Air is this has a rotary blade. So this spins around on the gears in the machine. And then this rotates and cuts. This rotates and cuts. So you can do fabric, wood, all sorts of stuff. What's nice is unbonded fabric. I'm super excited. I didn't bring it over to the table. I did order the engraving tip, so I can engrave on metal, soft metals. This is the quick swap housing with the scoring tip. So we're going to open this up and I'll show you guys what the quick swap is, if I can get this open. Has the guard on it for the gears, so when it's in the machine, you put it in this way, and this is what's facing out, so the gears aren't in, you can't get your fingers in the gears. Yeah. So for the quick swap housing, how you get this apart is you push the button on the top, and it comes right off. So actually, while I have it apart, we'll put we also got the engraving tip. So this does not come in the box. I ordered this separately. Okay. So we also have, damn it, I've already opened it. And we have the quick swap housing tips. So you can order all sorts of different tips. I think there's 4 or 5 different tips that you can order. So you get it open, you pop it out. And this is the engraving tip. So you've already pushed your button to release the other tip. So you push the button to install your other tip. It's so easy, which is so freaking awesome. And then also it comes with a housing guard. So like with the other Cricut machines, you have a piece of rubber that goes over your blade. You don't have that with these. So what it comes with, which is pretty darn nifty if you don't mind me saying so, comes with a cover. So now it's protected, your blade won't get chipped, it won't get banged on things. And I'm actually going to use the packaging from it for my quick housing. I did not get the organizer sorter thing yet. I need to. What else comes with it is your wisteria weeding tool, your weeder. It also comes with a fine point black. Remember, this is a pen or a marker. So let's open it up and see. It is a felt tip marker. But it also comes with other items too. So here's your cord to connect it to your computer. It is also wireless. I have not turned it on yet, obviously. But you probably have to plug it into your computer once, and then after that you can run it wirelessly through your Bluetooth. The Wisteria extra large scraper and extra fine point pens in bright. So your fine point is a 0.4, your extra fine is a 0.3. So I do recommend keeping your paperwork just in case you need it. Particularly, I recommend keeping your book that came with your machine. I'm sorry, my camera's kind of at a weird angle tonight because I'm doing this on my kitchen table. Now, the exciting part. Oh, I don't have them over here, but it also comes with 3 mats. So it comes with your light grip, your strong grip, your fabric grip. So the fabric grip, so what comes with the extra bundle makes it where you get 1 extra mat. So what comes with the Cricut on a regular, just if you buy just the Cricut Maker, it comes with the fabric grip mat and the light grip mat. What comes with the bundle is you get the strong grip as well. And the acrylic ruler, which is this guy in purple to match your machine. So this is the lilac bundle, so everything kind of has a theme to be purple. Cardboard, how it's packaged. Oh, it's heavy. This is much. Okay. This is much heavier than the Cricut Explorer, Cricut Airs. Also with this, also in the bottom, your power strip. I set this cardboard back in the box because I don't need it out. All right, so now for the fun part. It comes wrapped, what you want to call this? Comes wrapped in like styrofoam paper. Has the Cricut sticker. Ooh, one thing I noticed right away is this one is wrapped in plastic. None of my other machines have been wrapped in plastic before, but that's awesome. Just a little added protection, I would guess. And if you want to keep the bag, I know people keep the bags for dust covers. The plastic open. Ooh, that's so satisfying. So satisfying. All right, I'll set it down. All right, so this is the Lilac Maker. It's not as bright purple in your face like I thought it would be, which is fine. Ooh, and you just lift the lid and it opens. No button like the Air. So there's your real, true, like lavender, lilac colored accents is inside. So stinking pretty. So just like, yep, just like the Airs. So the difference, the big difference between the Maker and the Air is you'll see it right here. See, there's the gears. It's got a tool tray just like the other one. It's got your tool holder here, just like the other ones. All right, there's your unboxing of the Cricut Maker Lilac bundle from Joann's. Have a good night. Bye.